Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Today, as you saw in the title, glitter eyes with bold lips featuring the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique. So today I just wanted to just go straight with the hair video before I show you viewers the makeup tutorial. So what I have on is a short bob wig. I initially had it into a long bob wig there. I will insert a video or a picture in the next 2 seconds. So viewers, we all saw the video. So today we are joining me today for a makeup tutorial as I initially stated, and if you are ready for this, just sit down, relax, have a glass of tea, coffee, wine, grape juice like I have right now. Yep, so this is the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique and this is their, I think it was their Indian straight hair. I've had it for a year. So I went ahead and dyed it, and I have enough long hair wigs, so I decided to cut it into a bob look and change the color to mahogany, which I am loving. This hair is the bomb.com. This hair does not tangle, obviously because it's short hair right now. You lot will be like, is it because it's short hair? Before I dwell into more information, I'd like to show you viewers their website, which will be down below, and also introduce you viewers to the sale they're doing for Easter, which is 20% off your overall purchase, and the code is LOVE love 20 in capitals, no small letters. Everything should be in capitals, and also the sale obviously will be ending at the end of Easter, and I have a coupon code as well, which is my name, Ativelt 15 for 15% off discounts if you love to help a sister out. I am collaborating with this company, and this company is a black owned company. I have never mentioned this before, but they are obviously a group of black women, adults that love to travel and explore with hair. So I was very glad when I met them and they introduced themselves to me. They are in their 50s and above, and they are very educated and renowned, and they do let you know whatever you want to know if you email them. They ship worldwide. Shipping is now affordable, but it takes a bit longer than usual. Before, shipping was more like an expensive side, which would take like 3 days, especially if it's international shipping. Now they made it affordable with USPS, and I think they still use FedEx as well. So let's talk about the pros and cons. The cons about this hair is that if you do cut your weft into pieces before making a wig or doing a sewing, more than normal shedding. But we all know the fold over method, don't we viewers? We should know that by now. And the fold over method is a method that when you use it making wigs or hair extensions, it helps minimize shedding, so it gives you little to no shedding. So the only disadvantage I found about this hair was when I cut my weft into pieces, I experienced a bit of shedding, but with my other bundles, when I just used the fold over method, there was absolutely little to no shedding. I give this hair a 9 out of 10. I've dyed this hair, but it still has got luster. You know when you bleach hair extensions and you dye it, I bleached this into blonde. It does take very well to bleach because it's 100% authentic raw hair. That's all they deal in, and this is no AliExpress vendor. I will tell you this hair is pretty affordable, as in the price is not cheap, but it is affordable. It's something that you can buy. The price will not kill you. It's not in thousands of dollars. It's within the hundreds of dollars depending on how many pieces you purchase. But with the discount code that I'm helping you viewers out with, it helps really minimize the price, knock it off 20% basically. So I am very in love and impressed with this hair, and I'm glad I found them out. I found them out 2 years ago, and that is the only hair I've been using ever since. So enough said about this hair. Let's go into the makeup tutorial. Today's makeup tutorial is a glitter look, and if you are interested, stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and also help a sister out by sharing this video. I'll see you viewers in my next. Stay tuned for the makeup tutorial. Stay tuned. So viewers, this is a chit chat, get ready with me. I have never done this before and I'm a bit overwhelmed, so I decided to take a glass of grape juice. This is non-alcoholic. And yeah, cheers. If you are watching this, just grab a cup of tea, orange juice, chit chat. This is what has been going on YouTube and my observation on YouTube, what's been going on in my life, and a little bit of tea about a few YouTubers. Cheers! So as you can see, my eyes are already done. By the way, my eyebrows are tattooed. I'm not a perfect eyebrow person. This is how I can do it because of my already made permanent tattooed eyebrows. So do not please come for me in the comment section. It will look better once the makeup is done. I promise you viewers. I also use my NC45 concealer by MAC. This is an old school concealer. If you remember back in the day, about 5 years ago, when NC45 was all over the place, these sort of concealers, and it's still in my makeup bag, so that should tell you how long the makeup goes. So now what I'll be doing is to basically set my makeup, my under eyes, and apply glitter on my eyes. Let's see how this goes. Le Beau Cosmetique Tan. The name of the powder is Tan by Le Beau Cosmetique. All the links will be in the description box down below if you are interested. And this is my favorite powder. I prefer it to benign. I swear to God, I prefer it to benign. Or you can mix your benign with this to have an even better consistency. So there's this drama going on YouTube about Tati. Mrs. Tati Westbrook decided to launch. I need to sip. Instead of sipping tea, we're gonna sip some grape juice. Cheers. It is so difficult to multitask as in talk and do my makeup at the same time, so bear with me. So Mrs. Tati Westbrook decided to launch a vitamin pill line, and it's sort of backlashed. Viewers, if I should tell you what she's been through, boy girl, I decided to talk about this video in my makeup because I ain't got time for a separate video. Seriously, I ain't got time for that. This is one of my old school makeup palettes. I really like it, and I'm going to be using this orange. It has no names on it, but as you all can see, this is an orange shade on my crease area as a transition color. Oliver, I am not a makeup artist, but let me tell you something. Once you blend, viewers, it's even less orange base color as my transition color, and I'm loving it. Oh my days, I am really into this now. So Tati is experiencing this backlash, and she had to come on camera to defend herself. And one thing I like about Fumi Dazulov, I don't know if you've heard of her. If you haven't, go check her. Like, she is an inspiration to me. She's a role model. She is like a big sister I never had. She talks sense whenever there is a controversy sort of going flying in the air around YouTube. Grape juice. I'm applying eyelash glue on my eyelid, and viewers, I don't want the glitter from the bottom of my eyelash lid to the top of my brows. Those sort of glitters, I am not a drag queen, so I'm gonna pass that. Glitters, you've got the pink and the normal silver looking glitter. Are very affordable, and I bought them off eBay. I wanted to do pink, but I want to try and do 2 lip shades, so I'm gonna go with the silver, which is more, I wouldn't say natural, but it works. The silver will work with red lips, and it will work with pink lips as well. Trying to use my Naked palette, which I'm not really a fan of, I'm not even gonna lie. This is the Naked 3. It's just okay. It's not as pigmented that I thought it was gonna be, but it's something to do with. So just try to apply this at the corners of my eyes to give it and blend in around my crease. I'll be mixing nutmeg, nutmeg is a bit darker for my skin tone. Do not forget your neck area whenever you're putting on foundation. Just don't. Nutmeg mixed with rich caramel. A rich caramel is, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, is a little bit too light for my skin or too reddish for my skin, so I love to mix the two to give it. Using MAC Match Master with SPF 15 foundation. Mix with our Studio Fix foundation. Mix the two. So back to Tati. There was an overlash because of a lot of videos going out there. Apparently it's worth her vitamin pill is a monthly supply and it's worth $40 US, which is got ceramide XF or something like that in, and apparently they trademarked by her husband's company, LLC, whatever. Tati made a video about the situation and told her viewers it wasn't harmful. But what bothers me about Tati's launch was she never spoke about this throughout her 8 years on YouTube or 7 years on YouTube. She just jumped out of the blue, but she is the first to criticize other companies if they're doing things that are not okay. I was a bit shocked at her. We're going to contour with our Suede Mocha. I love the shape of my nose because just a little sort of contouring takes my nose to like a surgery effect. Viewers, do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified whenever I like my videos. Comment, tell me what you think. This is by Sleep. And blend and blend. This is going to be a long video, but I'm going to try my best to cut it short. Trying to define it with my mascara, and this is from Avon. The best mascaras in the world are from Avon. I am literally telling you viewers, before I started to wear falsies, people used to literally think I had falsies on just because my Avon. Now I've been wearing so much falsies that whenever I put on mascara you can't even tell if I have falsies on. That's the side effect of having falsies. So going to complete this look with bubblegum bright lipstick, and this girl is one of my favorites. Gum, and this is a matte lipstick by Lebu Cosmetique. I will leave the link as well in the description box down below, and this is the first. So viewers, this is the red look, and this is Bloody Valentine, and I really love this look. As you viewers can see, it is a matte lipstick. It's a very matte finish, so I will let you viewers know it's best to moisturize your lips before applying this on. Put lip balm on your lips before applying this, and your lips will be perfect throughout the whole day. This is a really matte lipstick, and if you'd like me to review the whole collection, I think they have 7 different shades. I will be glad to review it on my YouTube channel. Just comment down below and let me know if you want me to review Lebu Cosmetique liquid matte lipsticks, and I will. So hope you viewers did enjoy this video, and I'll see you viewers in my next. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and have a lovely